G'day legends, it's a nice cool day here, so it's a great day to break out something like this. Now, this looks like a bit of a schmozzle here, doesn't it? Righto, so the last time I had the Kraton out, we blew a tyre out, and we've probably only ran over a rock or something, nothing too serious, but it's not going to take long for that tyre to tear itself to pieces if it was still running. So then, just so I could have some fun, I tried to put the Luis M Cross on, which I love these tyres. These are absolutely awesome if you're in like a gravel quarry or something where your traction is virtually non-existent. These tyres are exceptional and you'll have an amazing time with them. But when it comes to somewhere like our bashing pad and track here, they're just too much. Your electronics are going to hate you, your motor's going to hate you, ESC, steering, servo, everything. So I've had these Jetco tyres for a while actually, and I've been meaning to try them. What I like about these is they come with an interchangeable hub, like a bead lock. So that in there, that hub in there, can be unscrewed and changed to a different size if you need to, so you can just buy a different hub. But what I like about these tyres too, they're a bit more solid and stronger than the stock standard Kraton tyres. These feel quite soft. Now, I'm not a backflip guy, so the fact that these won't balloon is not really going to bother me as much. I think we're going to have more fun with the Kraton with these tyres on it, and we might even dabble in the odd speed run or something having these tyres on it. I think we'd get far better control. So anyway, look, I'm going to throw this last tyre on and then we're going to take it up to the bash pad. Righto, before we head out there, I've got one more surprise for you. Oh yeah, let's pop that on. Check that out, guys. I had two of these and I couldn't decide what to do with the other one. I'd originally got it because I wanted to put it on the big rock, but this is just too good. I didn't have much paint left over, so I just threw this together with what I had left over. I don't know what we're going to call it, maybe fade to black, but anyway guys, let's go and give it a run.